July nili zan second ma US le so July nili zan swimlam thlai khat atling chang tu he le tu tan chu US le thongpang kha kampalte ban chimlai kan ram chung thongpang je dang ka da dak malama isik na khut nak ti ben tu pol kha tampi pe kan ma chim haulo khan social media kan mi ka siko le ma khachu kam ban chim ti lai lawe tu tana chon US le thongpang kam ban chim lai pathum te ban chim ko do tu tana han just thongpang a hen chu Texas e tilian atlong mi chun California e firework apuak mi firework zuar nak in apuak mi kong kaw le Trump ni President Trump ni hina big beautiful bill kha mina thu chang ti min thong te kha kamban chim tala e pakhan nak ajon Texatilian kong kha ban chim ta sola Texatilian he atu tianga hen thi mi hi kulali an si change so atlaw mi he kulanga an se chon siamatur mi zong khatam pin ti kha thongpang kan thai ning chu se I Texatilian he nihin nizana khanjing la ya khan atu ya jusram chung I zo chawza tang ummi National Weather Service ni khan tha te in atu battalion atlung khau ti mi khachu chimphon nak chimthan nak khachu an ngai chia mi kha sena in anaral ring man lo kan tilai chu anaral ring man lo e tu zinga khan betak ten tilian kha ban tonge italian atlun nak thitiwa he ka hen manza usilo Guadalupe ti mi te va se ma he hang sle Calville he betak te in avan khuchil mi silawa avan vai mi kas avan nam mi kas tilian ni hin mo lehika hin camp akalmi ke summer camp akalmi an umnak hun pha jong kha tilian ne aban khu te ka khan mai camp akalmi khak sia tampi kha an taw ti se apoi ngai tu he Texas ne tu he azodram pin ne avan boy pi tak mi thong pang ase atu jong han tuan chu ma mi chan rian kha an tuan chu ma e thingkung ai tap mi ten ha asilo dang ai tap mi te ti ban tuk na kha e tam pian chan kho chang na na in chan khori lo mi jong kha tam pin me e to ko lo ne khat chunga minung atelian in minung kuleli van thi cho apoi ngai mi se tu li Texas chunga hen lai mi tam pi an nak Texas chunga tu he tilian atlung chu ma ti mi kha thong pang kan thai mi se le hi ka hen ban zo sil hi ka vai ni New York Times ni hi ka man thak ban lang tar mi a hen Austin chu Texas copy se Austin le San Antonio karlakan hi Guadalupe tiva hi aluang mi se le Texas chunga hen lai mi kan tam Austin le San Antonio hong hang zonga hin alai mi su si tuan mi minung tam pi an nak se kadang khodang dang te zonga anum ko lai na en San Antonio Houston Austin hong hang he tam big an nak ase thi ka lai Louisville le Dallas le ban chim lo achun mu thi ka lai hong hanga khin am ke lai mi an tam ngai nak mun ma si te ka khen hitilian ni hen lai mi zong italian ni afan mi silo in ro mi ti ban to ka lai mi zong atu tianga chun lai mi natal matal lo ti ban to kha thai kho si lo chun athi mi le atlaw mi la thi min ha zong himi zai da an city mi kha identify and to khori in halo fian tar nak mu fiang te in fian nak kha an to khori lo kha chu cha khan hi chunga hen lai mi zong tampi ital kho ve mi dir mun si cha khan betak ten thachamen bom naw silo ti mi te kha ko ban chim du mi se video he ban zau taw se lo bain Fox News ne an chim mi khamu kan le chu kan la du lai lo na khan kan fian chin na ka khan ban zau ta han usela
taking people off guard while they slept. Now dangerous condition
sorry.
Also breaking tonight, multiple deaths reported in Texas after heavy rain there caused flash flooding. Search teams are now using boats to conduct rescues as fast-moving water there, you can see it on your screen, threatens riverfront communities across the state. Correspondent Dana Marie McNichol joins us now with that story. Good evening, Dana Marie.
Good evening, Jillian. Well, catastrophic flash flooding really came through the Guadalupe River Valley overnight, taking people off guard while they slept. Now, dangerous conditions turned deadly in just under 2 hours. They didn't have time to evacuate, officials say. In Kerr County Sheriffs, they just announced 13 fatalities. Local officials there say that there was not a flood warning.
Atu van chim mi ke chu atu e anu big thong pa am ban that mi kha shlo un mu ma video khan thai dinga chun e tilian aban tlun ka thong thang e aban chu ka thong thang e thila chang mi an ban chim mi kha sele ma nuwa athi mi le taw mi kha an tam pim ban hu chap mi na kha si cha khan a thiam atur mi athi mi ti ban tuk an chim mi kha a hi ka zon hin chu adok nak bi ke an hu bi ke update mi slow ti mi te kha ka ban chim du mi se aning hilia wa thila chang mi si te ka khan zam nak zam nak chan khazem han tilo ti kha ti bakasro
In place for Kerrville. That's just a city 60 miles northwest of San Antonio. It saw almost a foot of rain for 9 a.m. this morning. Now, throughout the day, the swift water rescue crews have been looking for people stranded in homes, vehicles, and even trees. Kerr County officials say an unknown number of people remained unaccounted for. Law enforcement officers, they are now working to identify people who died in the flooding.
Most of them, we don't know who they are. We're having to have a fingerprint on them at the funeral home. And one of them was completely naked. She didn't have any idea of them at all. So we're trying to get the identity of these folks, but we don't have it yet.
A major concern are the children in the children's summer camps along the river valley. At one camp, around 20 young girls are still missing. That's according to the Lieutenant Governor of Texas.
ngakchia te kheman tu anaka atilian khu ti ka khan mitam pi ngakchia tam pin tlam te lungrok tak se poitak
Texas. Questions remain about why camps did not evacuate yesterday.
I can't answer that. I don't know.
zai ruang dan zana khan andak zam tar na lo zai ruang san zana khan mo andak zam tar na lo ti kha se ama ni hin aban le lai I can answer that kalet kholo te zai ruang that city mi kha aban chim lai.
Well, you're the judge. I mean, you're the top official here in this county. Why can't you answer that? There are kids missing. These camps were in harm's way. We knew this flood was coming.
Ti khong chia hen officer ngan big na city ka khan zai ruang tlamang na le kholo khak chi atlaw min adang dang azong atlaw min te ka zai ruang tlan na le kholo ti kha se.
We didn't know this flood was coming. Rest assured, no one knew this kind of flood was coming. We have floods all the time. This is the most dangerous river valley in the United States.
I agree.
And we deal with floods on a regular basis. When it rains, we get water. We had no reason to believe that this was going to be anything like what's happening.
Kan thai baklo ti sko ma diva he zu asram chunga ti nu ngai mi diva city ka khan tilian atlung lai ti kha kan thai baklo sko ti kha ki kai officer pani kan man khong thi officer pan le mi.
And this is still an active situation. Officials are telling people to still shelter in place. The president is aware of what's happening, and the lieutenant governor says that they mentioned they will receive any resources they need.
Maka focus ni kha ban chim mi te kha se chun adok nak big thong pang til sining chu ka New York Times ni aban tial mi kha ka ban lak mi se adok nak big athi tu ko ban chim tianga hen athi mi kulli atlaw mi kulanga an city mi te kha aban chim kha kanu mi sele tilian he se kan chim ban tu khan Guadalupe ativa hati nunga ngai mi city ka khen lai mi umna kadang hundang zong khima tilian ni khen abon hor son mi le harna pe kho mi dir mun ke se Texas chu thimphang ngai mi dir mun an dir cho ma leo city kha ban chim ka du mi sitle hi ka hin thong pang pakhat bak zo da second ti sia chon California state ummi Esparto ti mi khua atang mi kha se me he July nekhat khan thila chang mi sina en atu tiang kha developing news se chu nihina khan the Fox News na ban tial ninga chu nihina khan ma firework atu independent day atu ampu mi pol khamu ampu mi pol an zuar nak หุ่นมาขาอบวกปัวติกาขันชงอีมีมินุงตั้มปีขันเต่าที่เสนี่นักขันปัญหีจวนวงไอตุนนไอตุนหันไอขันมินุงปัญหีขันวัชนชัวขอนหาอาชนะชงว่าขันมินุงใจมาจัดขันเต่าริเตand 7 missing in as per the minung pasri kha an tar an muri in halo tuni kha minung pan hi chom wachan kho naไปเขียมตัวมุเขียมฝักอันตัวที่เสปัสริตุก็จะอันหูชีอันฉันเขารินฮาโลและมาเตค่ะตัวเฟียนนักเตนเป็นทรัมชินฮากระดูมิสิและจนตัวนี้เห็นทรัมและอามาอะไรจังโพลจ้าเสตัวเบียพิลอกถาที่เรามีจูใจดัชกันที่เสียจน one big beautiful bill ค่ะ President เนี่ยมีนัดทุจังจ้ามาค่ะlaw จังกันดูจงดูเราจงมาโลนชุงมีค่ะอัฐาจงสิปะกะอัฐาเราจงสิปะกะจุดรับมินอีขันจุลดิงตัวดิงจุนดิงที่ค่ะสิจัง House เนี่ยอันใจหนัว House นี่คำบัมพัสพานี่
Members of Congress who helped move the bill through its many drafts and get it signed, passed through both chambers. Historic moment as he has been touting all afternoon long. This is going to go down in history as his landmark legislation, President Trump's version of Obamacare or of President Biden's infrastructure bill. Mark Meredith is standing by. He is there, I think, still on the South Lawn.
Jillian, I sure am. We're still here on the South Lawn as the president is surrounded by those congressional delegations that pushed his legislative and tax policy package over the finish line. It was the president himself who wanted this to happen today on the 4th of July. It was a deadline that almost seemed impossible a few weeks ago, even maybe a few days ago, given some of the action that we saw in the Senate. But as the president talked about, he believes this package is going to be beneficial when it comes to the tax cuts that will last for a long period of time. No taxes, at least for a few years, on Social Security benefits, on overtime, as well as tips. That was a campaign promise that the president made, and we saw the Democrats try to catch back up on during the cycle because it's proved to be so popular. We'll look to see what the polling is like in the weeks, months ahead. And the president also had a chance to call out the supporters that helped him out there. Jillian?
กันรวมไล่มากันไงได้เชียร์ไรกันทินมาห้องละชิมอกทาละและทิลที่มีจะกับนี่ขันเจ้าแปลงหาวชัดหนักสองคอมเมนต์ชัดเราหนักสองคอมเมนต์และใจพันเสียอันมานี่จนจุดรำปีแล้วจุดเจ้าจะจุดรำมีนชัดหนักดิ่งจ้าอันตัวมีข้าศึกก็จะไฮไลท์ตัวจนชัดเราหนักมาตำเดียวไล่ชัดหนักเราตำเดียวไล่ที่จะตัวเบียนเนี่ยชิมเตะไล่เรียลเตก็ไล่เสียใจสิมันตัวตันจูมาค่ะเดี๋ยวก็สำหรับทรัมป์นี่เห็นแคมปิ้งทีมนักเลี้ยแคมปิ้งรักตัวมีเบียร์กับมีกระตัวอะไรที่มีจุดประคัดหนุประคัดจนตัวชินฟัวมาอันนี้เฮเบียนิงบักนะตัวมีเสียตัวชินฟัวมาอาจจะตักโลเตงฮะตัวนิ่งจนกุมลีตัวชงว่าเห็นจุดรำชงว่าท่านนักตั้มปีชัวตัวคอมเมนต์ไลน์ที่ชัวซุ่มเสและมาเบียร์คัสก็สลัดเตะจันไตจังทักษะไหลติเลียนต้องมีจ่าตัวขันจะไหลมีจงอันตรายนักหาดิ้งจ่าขันและติเลียนจงเราฐานะได้คนนักหาค่ะขนมนักเชี่ยวอันทารักจำเปียกเท้าสิที่มีเด็กค่ะกษีหัดจ่าอบิกันมาติเลียนกงค่ะกับมันทำตาดูมินหาเสตั้มปีลงลำนักไง